So finally we are at the Khirai flower garden that is behind me. So you can see these are the sarson ki khet. Ooh. If ooh. If you come here, you have to be very responsible and you have to go through these narrow lanes over here, and there are the fields full of flowers. You can see all the farmers over there cultivating and giving pesticides to the flowers. Good morning, internet. It's quite early in the morning, around 7:30 in the morning, and finally, after so much of plans being cancelled. So as I was telling, so after so much of plans being cancelled to go for a one-day trip with my friends, finally it's happening today. Me along with my two friends, my school friends, are traveling to the most beautiful place that I have ever visited near Kolkata. That is the Khirai. Khirai means the land of flowers. There the cultivation of flowers goes on. So finally, my friend told me, "Chalo, let's go for a short trip to Khirai," because I have also made a video of Khirai around around January 2019. So this is going to be another trip to Khirai. So welcome back to the channel, everyone. Hope everyone is doing well, and I have to pick up my friends from Holdiram at VIP Road. After that, we will go non-stop to Khirai. It is around 106 kilometers from Newton, where is my home. So before that, we will take a small breakfast break. So you will get to see everything. So watch the video till the end. And if you are new to the channel, don't forget to subscribe to the channel. And please to like the video if you like it. Till then, stay tuned and enjoy some beautiful shots of the road trip from Newtown to Khirai. Luckily, the fog is not that much today because from the past 2 days you can hardly see the car over there. Today you were able to see, but for the last 2 days everything was fogged up till 11 to 12 in the afternoon. So my friends are already here. চলো ওদেরকে পিক আপ করে নিই, তারপর একদম বেরিয়ে যাব। আরে ভাই কি খবর? বস বস।
হ্যাঁ কি ভাই, এই না না না, আমি মাস্ক পরা আছে, চাপ তুলবি না ব্লগে। মাস্ক পরা আছে মানে যায়।
Finally, we are on the highway, and there's lot of truck jam on the highway. It is as usual. After lockdown, I have noticed that when we were into Bolpur last month, then also there was so much truck jam. Today also there is lot of truck jam. You can see over here there is lot of truck. So I won't much vlog on the highway. We will stop for a breakfast break. Then we will head straight towards Khirai. Then at the Khirai, you will get to see the flower garden as I told you in the video. So we have reached Kolaghat now. We will take a short 20 to 15 minutes break over here. Then we will head straight towards Khirai. Basically, we will eat something because we left from home eating nothing. So we will take a short break over here. Then we will head straight towards, as I told, to our destination for today. We have stopped in Kolaghat at the KFC Kolaghat. So this is the first time I am stopping at KFC Kolaghat. So let's see how the taste is here. The Pet Puja is done. Now we are all set to leave from here. Or it is taking around 40 minutes it will take to reach the Kirai Garden, Kirai Flower Garden. So let's see how much time it takes, because while coming there was a tremendous jam near Dhulaghat Toll Plaza. Let's see, hopefully the road will be cleared now. So finally, after our nonsense drive, it was not a good drive because Google Maps, my trust for Google Maps has totally gone from today itself. The Google Maps, we sit on the four-wheeler mode, but it took us to a two-wheeler mode through a narrow lane through a village, and then we have to make a U-turn and again come back. Nearly we wasted 30 minutes of time because of Google Maps. So finally we are at the Kirai Flower Garden that is behind me. This is my second time. Last I came around 2 years back. So this is my second time at Kirai Flower Garden. So now let's go and give you some cinematic tour of the Kirai Flower Garden. Last time I came around January time. So at January time the flowers were more compared to this time I am seeing. Initially you can see these are the marigold, maximum of marigold this side, the other flowers. But during January this was fully filled, fully colorful. But this time is also beautiful. So have a watch. and these are already grown up. So these are they have carved the land and again put up the plants. These are some vegetables, tomatoes. These are, so you can see these are the sarson ki khet, the famous DDLJ sarson ki khet. These are all sarson ki khet. They are also behind me, you can see, and they are also over there. There is also sarson ki. This looks so beautiful. When you come over here, this looks so beautiful. So now let's go and check out the other flowers that are being cultivated over here. You can see all these narrow lanes. Through these narrow lanes, without damaging the flowers, we have to cross through the fields. Very challenging thing. See the narrow lanes. So is F hot now? It's 11, nearly 12, and so much hot. I have foot off my jacket, foot off my sweater actually, and just I had a bad fall over here because as I was telling, the lanes are so narrow. It's quite tough, difficult to walk through these lanes, and I just have a fall over here. This didn't hurt because it's all mitti over here. So if you come here, you have to be very responsible. Don't just pick up flowers over here because these are all belongs to the local farmers over here who plants the plants, flower plants. So be responsible. Don't damage any plants or flowers. So you have to be very careful while you come here. So this was all from this beautiful flower garden of Khirai. Hope you all like the cinematic shots over here. So majority of the are the sarson khet. একটা কি যেন বলেছিল?
মোরগ ছুটি.
Another morog chuti, the red one. These are the marigolds, and these are the sarson ki khet, famous sarson ki khet with all the DDLJ poses. So this was all. Quite disappointed because she got very disappointed because last time when I came, because last time when I visited, there were many different types of flowers, but this year the types of flower is less and the amount of flowers is also less because in the month of January the amount of flowers are more compared to this time during the mid-December. So she is a bit disappointed because I have experience, so I am not that much disappointed. And he is also a newcomer over here. Getting ready to get clicked. So this was all from this beautiful Khirai flower garden. Now let's click some photos, then we will leave from here and head towards our home to Kolkata. So now we are leaving from Khirai and most probably we'll take a halt while returning at Kolaghat. So this was all for this video. If you like the video for whatsoever reason, do give the video a like and don't forget to subscribe to the channel if you haven't yet subscribed. So till then, bye bye, and we'll meet you in some next new vlog soon.